Today we are solving problem 2b, finding 53 times 74 mod 9. We'll solve this using two key ideas from number theory. First, the division algorithm. This is the fundamental rule that governs division. It states that for any integer a and a positive integer n, our modulus 9, we can write a equals nq plus r, where the remainder r is unique and must satisfy 0 is less than or equal to r and r is less than n. The remainder r is the most important value in this entire system. Second, we use modular congruence. We say A is congruent to B mod n if and only if n divides the difference AB. In practical terms, this means A and B leave the same remainder when divided by n. This property is a powerful tool because it allows us to substitute large, cumbersome numbers with their smaller congruent remainders for easier computation. We are given the initial congruences for substitution. 53 is congruent to 8 mod 9. 74 is congruent to 2 mod 9. These statements mean that 53 and 8 are in the same equivalence class modulo 9 and the same for 74 and 2. This setup is ready for the core calculation using the multiplication property. Now, for the next part, allow our duo to discuss it.
Since Rian set up the problem perfectly, I will apply the multiplication property of congruence to find the solution. The property tells us we can multiply the remainders to find the remainder of the product. I substitute the smaller congruent values, so 53 times 74 is congruent to 8 times 2 modulo 9. So the first step of multiplication is simple. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So the expression simplifies to 16 modulo 9. Now for the final step, I must ensure the answer is a true remainder by using the division algorithm one last time. In the modulo 9 system, the remainder must be less than 9. Since 16 is too large, I divide 16 by 9. So 16 is equal to 1 times 9 plus 7. The unique remainder r is 7. Since 7 satisfies 7 is greater than or equal to 0, but less than 9, it is the final answer. By leveraging the definition of congruence to simplify our inputs in the division algorithm to reduce our output, we find that the value of 53 times 74 modulo 9 is 7.